Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk to you about the best places to work from in Tbilisi, Georgia. If you're a digital nomad, you work online. So most people, when you do your research, they're going to tell you about Impact or Terminal. Now those are traditional co-working spaces. For me, I don't like to work from traditional co-working spaces because one, I can never justify the price. Impact and Terminal, I believe, are over $100 per month, which I don't want to pay. Number two, I also don't like that I feel like if I'm paying that much, then I need to use it each time I work. And I don't want to be confined or limited to just one space. For me, the beauty in working remotely is the fact that I can work from anywhere that I want and I can always change my location, right? One day I may want to work from a cafe. The next day I may want to work from a restaurant. The third day, maybe I want to go work from a library or something. So for me, I like the ability and the freedom to be able to choose and always change my location. So I don't do traditional co-working spaces. Another one people are going to talk about is going to be Fabrika. So Fabrika is technically a hostel, but downstairs in their lobby, they have a restaurant. They have a really big lobby that a lot of people, even though they're not staying in the hostel, they will come there and work from. They have great Wi-Fi. This is a good place to work from. You know, there's no monthly fees. You just order from their restaurant. It's really, really nice that right outside of the actual Fabrika hostel, there are a lot of bars. So kind of envision it like if you have ever been to Chiang Mai, envision there being a hostel at Zoe and Yellow, that area, right? It's basically what it's like. So it's really cool to be able, when you're done working, to just pop right outside and there's probably like 7 bars or so. And in the middle of all those bars are tables where you can just mingle with everybody. So that aspect of it is cool. However, for me, the table setup at Fabrika is not ideal for a remote worker, a digital nomad, because the tables are all super low to the ground, except for 3 tables are not super low to the ground. So you are either having to hunch over the whole time, which totally hurts my back, or number 2, your laptop is always like literally in your lap. And I don't like that. I like my laptop to be, up on a table where I don't have to hunch over or lean forward on it. So again, those are the 3 you'll probably hear most people talk about, but these that I want to talk to you about are the 3 that I enjoyed the most in the year and a half we were in Georgia, majority of which was in Tbilisi. So this is Biblist. It's actually a bookstore, but they have tables outside and inside, as well as a kitchen. So you can order food here and sit all day and work. And they have outlets next to tables, indoors and outdoors as well. So this is where we're set up. Hello. They have, there's the outlet. And they have this awesome lunch special. So this is if you had 2 people. And this side, if you have 1, so you get soup, salad, and a drink for 12 gel, which is like $4. So again, all this seating outdoors. It looks like they will be adding a cover here. And then inside, so again, this is a bookstore, but they have tables in here to sit at, which is awesome. Oh, and they also have wine. And there's also lots of these all throughout the city. So the one we're in is in Vera, right next to Hero Square. But yeah, they're scattered all throughout the city. Sabertalo, Vera, Vaque, Freedom Square, and then there's the other chair up here. Okay, so this place, wow, those lights look terrible on this. Okay, anyways, this place is called Ballroom. It's at the top of Galleria Mall, downtown Tbilisi off of Rustaveli. So this place will open between like 12:30 and 1, depending on when the movie theater next door opens. And oh my gosh, I can't... This light. Okay, so clearly there's lots of natural light. And this is my setup here. These chairs are super, super comfy. They're like the big, oversized ones. Now, not all, but most tables will have the outlet. And so they don't really have much for food, but they do have a drinks menu, so you can like I've seen on this TV, they'll play like soccer games and stuff. And then back over here they have bowling. And so I like to get to places like right when they open, because I prefer to work places that are quiet. So right now it's like 2 o'clock or so in the afternoon. As you can see, like I have this whole place to myself. Here's some more tables. But by like 5 or 6, this place will be a lot of people bowling. There'll be people in the chairs. And then check this out. So this is their attached rooftop. So like when again, right now it's dead because it's the afternoon, which I'm most motivated, first of all, in the morning, and secondly, I get my most work done in like a place where there aren't a lot of people. So if you are like that, come here like right when they open. If you are more like my boyfriend, who needs he needs other people around, he needs like a lot of noise for him to work, then come, like I said, at like 5, 6, 7 at night. All these tables will have people here. And this is also where I come out to when I need to make a conference call or hop on Zoom or whatever. So like as you can see inside, they have music going, which is a little too loud for when I need to do my calls. But when I do have calls to make, this right here, I come right here and sit and make the calls because it's quiet. And then this is your view out here. So again, their menu is really just consists of drinks. I mean, it's basically a bar. They have like 5 food items in there. But again, just like all these other places, you can order and just sit there all day. Okay, now this one is the hidden gym. This is my absolute favorite place to work around. I don't know why more people don't do this here, but okay, so this is called August, and there's 2 locations. I prefer the one in Vaque, which is this one. So they have tons of different bakery goods here. And some sweets and sandwiches, salads. I've wrapped, I've eaten most of these. This juice, oh, it's so good. So good. And then they have an upstairs. It's got like a couch or bench over here. And the chair in the corner. So this one, I always sit here. This is my favorite spot because, look, this is the view you get. So there's lots of natural light. You can see outside, but then you're also right here. And it also has aircon. Oh, and there's outlets at each table. So again, those are my 3 favorite places to work from in Tbilisi. Most people are probably not going to talk about those, but again, you're on my channel. It's called Unique Travel Adventures. I don't typically do what most other people do, as you can see. One thing that is amazing about working remotely in Tbilisi is the fact that you can go to these cafes and work from there all day and nobody has an issue with it, right? Like so Mondays and Tuesdays are usually my really big work days. I try to get as much work done on Mondays and Tuesdays so that the rest of the week I can only check in like an hour or 2 a day. So there have definitely been some days where I get to August Cafe at 9 a.m. right when they open up. I'll have breakfast, lunch, and dinner there and not leave until like 8 or 9 at night. And they have no issue with it. Like, that is so nice. So I really, really love that about being a digital nomad in Tbilisi. As always, like the video, leave me a comment. Let me know, are you more of someone who likes to work from those traditional co-working spaces where you pay, a monthly fee to? Are you more like me, where you prefer to change your location all the time, work from cafes or restaurants or coffee shops, etc.? Subscribe for more unique travel adventures. Turn on those notifications, hit that bell so you're the first to know of any new videos I release. And the next one will be right here in 3, 2, 1.